Hi, I am going to show you today how to check ignition coil on a lawnmower. If something fault in the electrical system, we can use the multimeter to check the lawnmower. For this ignition coil has a this one is the coil part having two windings. One is a primary winding. Primary winding is a smaller winding with a bigger thickness, and the secondary winding is the outer winding. Outer winding is a smaller wire with a bigger round winding. So to check, we have to check both of that winding. Is there any continuity at all or not to pass that electrical signal to the spark plug. To check the primary winding having less than 5 ohms and secondary winding having a bigger resistance. And for check the primary winding, this is the killer switch. We have used the killer switch and magnet area to check the continuity. So check the secondary winding, we use the magnet area and the spark plug to check the continuity. To check the primary winding, we turn on the multimeter and change into just the ohm level 200, the ohm level, and when you connect, it's working. And connect this one and this one. See that it's recording ohm 0.8. It's less than 5. That means it's a 0.8. Anyway, that means 0.8 means the continuity is working. And check the secondary winding. We change into this one into 20k marks. 20k. And after that, we use one side for the spark plug terminal and other side is the magnet. See that you can see that number. It's recording 4.72, another side 4.7271, and the killer switch 4.71. 4.69, 4.68, 4.69, 4.68, 4.68, 4.68. So that means the secondary winding is working. So that means this spark plug is a good working condition, and we can use for any type of lawnmower, compatible lawnmower for as a spark plug. And alternatively, when this one mounted into the lawnmower machine, we can check the spark plug without removing the lawnmower. Most of the times, sometimes the lawnmower is not starting. That is not starting, having three problems mainly. One is a issue with the fuel supply. Second issue is the sparking issue, maybe a plug faulty plug or ignition issue. So without removing, so we have to check one of these whether spark plug working at all or not. So when the spark plug mount in the machine, we can turn into 20K, this one, and take the spark plug out from the plug and connect to this side, turn on this one and put into the 20K and put that one side of that spark plug, and other side we can't approach to this one, and but this side is a grounded to the machine. We can use this terminal to the machine's ground area, that means to the engine, like so engine parts. When you put the engine parts, it will show up like this. It says a 4.78, 4.68 now. Okay, 4.68, yeah, 4.68. That's the way we have to look at the secondary coil. So, and alternatively, the killer from this killer switch, is a killer wire is come to the carburetor. Then we can find that killer switch wire end terminal, and after that from that one, and after that we can use the engine ground one, any engine parts to the ground, and then you can check the continuity from here to here at the primary winding as well, without removing that one. But only thing is we have to expose that carburetor part, get the end terminal of that killer wire, and after that then we can change into this one again to the 200 ohms, and check one of the terminal to the killer wire, and other one is from to the any engine parts. When you put engine parts, see the ohm is 0.8, means the primary winding is working. That means without removing, if the engine not starting or having any starting issue, we can check whether the having any issue with the ignition coil or not. If that one sorted, we can go to the next step, check the spark plug or check the fuel supply, what's wrong is. All right, thank you for watching.